My name is Frank Scarbrough, and I'm the president of FS Scarbrough, LLC. We are a civil contracting company. We do turnkey site development work, everything from grading and excavation through storm, sewer and water, site concrete. We even have a site improvement division that will take a project to completion through landscaping and irrigation. Key aspect of our business has been the early adoption of technology. For us, that means grade control, GPS, and integrated tractors. We have a couple of Komatsu intelligent dozers. We've looked at other manufacturers and aftermarket systems, but just the ease of operation and the smooth integration that you get with the integrated tractors just makes it a no-brainer for us in terms of productivity to go with the Komatsus. It really helps, gives us a competitive advantage and helps us to win more projects. We have relationships with every equipment manufacturer and get good service, but we don't sole source anything from our equipment to our pipe. We don't do any sole sourcing. We like to have competition between our vendors. So it's common for us to demo different pieces of equipment side by side. Here recently, we put a aftermarket system on another equipment manufacturer's tractor up against our D61i machine, ran them side by side, and switched operators. And consistently, the Komatsu was just holding grade better, moving more dirt faster. I mean, it wasn't really even close. The smoothness of operation in of the GPS system and the tractor itself, there wasn't much comparison there. It made it a no-brainer for us just to stick with another I machine from Komatsu. You know, our business is changing so much over the last several years. Technology has become such an integral part of it. I mean, we're not just guys out here running tractors moving dirt. If you're not integrating the new technologies and adopting them, it's going to be hard for people to compete in the marketplace. And for us, we've wholeheartedly accepted the machine control and the associated office work with that. It's in my opinion, guys who don't bring this new technology on board or want to stick with the old ways, you're not going to see those guys in business 10 years from now. They're not going to be competitive like they once were. But the guys who are willing to expand their horizons, look at different opportunities and see what technology can do for you, that's going to be the market leaders, the guys you see really good growth and the most competitive companies in the marketplace. Comtrax for us is more of an after-action report. We get to look at it, look at fuel burn numbers, look at idle times, look at actual productivity of our tractors on job sites. And it helps us, zero in on our costs. Estimating is all about identifying your cost and knowing your true cost, so you know what it's going to take to do a project. And with Comtrax, you can look at what your tractors are burning, not what some report says the industry average is, but what your guys with this operator are burning in these tractors. How much idle time do they have? How many hours of production a day are you getting? That's just an invaluable tool to help us narrow in and focus in on our actual true operating cost per hour for this, each piece of our Komatsu equipment. We're not an equipment service company. We're contractors. We want to move dirt. We want to put pipe in the ground. And for us, with Komatsu Care, we don't have to worry about, is it time for us to change the oil in this tractor, get this service? TEC just gives us a call and say, hey, your 360's up for its 1,000-hour service. When can we come out and do it? And it makes it easy for us. It's one less thing to take off our plate. I always talk to my guys about being problem solvers, not problem makers. And really, TEC and Komatsu helps solve problems for us before they even happen with the Komatsu Care.